And in this video I'm going to show you how to check Telegram last seen time. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So first what you want to do is open up your Telegram and go to contacts at the bottom left. And now you see you have this last seen recently, last seen recently. It just means that they were recently on the app. And if you see last seen a long time ago, it means that they been on Telegram a very long time ago. Now, if they have enabled last seen online nobody, you won't be able to see what was their last seen online unless potentially you are a premium user. So you won't see last seen online stats for people with whom you don't share yours. So if they don't share it, you can share, and you don't share with them, you can see it even if you are a premium user, but you only share it with that person, you can see theirs and they can see yours. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.